I feel very deeply connected with the Rock Gardens because all the performances that I showcased in Chandigarh were done in the amphitheatre in the first phase, which was built by Nick Chand. And he was a very integral part of my world. And it is really fantastic that he allowed me the use of his space without any impediments. So I really felt the Rock Gardens was an extension of my home. At the moment I feel very helpless. I feel very futile even doing this video because nobody's listening. You know what has been said earlier about heritage and coming under the heading of 100 years old is completely ridiculous. That way Chandigarh is also not 100 years old. So if you say the Capitol Complex is part of the UNESCO Heritage Monument, then it seems a little ridiculous that you negate the existence of the Rock Gardens. And what I find absolutely bewildering is that on the Shatabdi and when you enter Chandigarh, they announce very grandly that this is the city of Nek Chand and this is the city of Rock Gardens, and also it's being monetized, and all that money is going into the coffers of the administration. How they can be so cavalier about demolishing what they think is just a wall. It's not a wall. It's entering. It's a violation of a sensibility, and that to me is very painful. And even though I'm speaking to you, but I know my voice will not be heard, and that is so frustrating because in a democracy you feel citizens matter, but today we do not really matter.
But definitely, ma'am, we'll put it on social media and we'll make sure that the voices would be heard. So, any message for the youth, ma'am, who's watching this, listening to you?
I think it's wonderful that the maximum participation has been of the youth. They have done a Chipko kind of movement. But again, we live in times where the voices of the young are not being taken cognition of. So that is a very despairing feeling.
Thank you.